If you've been looking for a simple side hustle, this is one of the easiest ways to start. With AI Scale Stack, you can launch an email business that's already done for you. Here's why it works. The system comes with custom AI bots that handle the hardest parts. They write your emails, grow your list, and even help you turn subscribers into income automatically. That means you can start a side hustle without products, ads, or complicated tech. It's built for beginners so you don't need experience to get started. You can run it in under 30 minutes a day, making it perfect alongside your job, school, or busy schedule. The best part? It comes with a money back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. If you're ready to start your own done-for-you email side hustle, click my link in the description and join AI Scale Stock today.